Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing these mini magnet Moral Cherry Blossom set. These are the magnetic tiles for ages 3 to 8 plus. Alright, so today we've got our magnetic building cubes. These ones are super nice. These are for ages 3 to 8 plus. They are super nice. They are magnetic portal, takes you into the mag world of cherry blossom. It is compatible with the leading brand. More cubes, you can build more things. This one has a multiple set, a bigger portal. You have single set, a square magnetic portal. Fun for all ages. You can have a very nice time creating different trees. You can create animals. These are strong medics, high quality, large size. They have super bright colors like you can see right here in the box. You've got your green, gray, blue, pink, browns, and then you have this black with purple. They're super nice. These, if you want to build things, like the pink ones are the cherry blossom trees. You can build a magnet world. So this set comes completed with the flowers, water, cherry blossoms, grass, trees, and magic portal. You can step into a magical world, invite your animals. You can make anything you want. It has magnetic door, takes you into the mag world of cherry blossom. And it has a nice little carrying case. In this user manual, this basically tells you what you can build out, how to build it. It has several pieces here. You can purchase another set and you can add to your little world. These ones are super nice. You've got the unicorn, cherry blossoms, you've got logs, bricks, windows, treasure blocks, grass, water. You have these two extra ones. So if you follow the guides right here, this guide will show you like how to set up a tree. You can add water, you can add grass, how you can do tree, grass, and water. These are a cube kit that is compatible with most of the blocks. This set contains only 6 magnets. The blocks are designed with 8 magnets, making them stronger. So these are really strong magnets. It offers a safe and more reliable options for you to consider. So with this instructions manual, just shows you different ways to build with these blocks. You can do castles. So this one here is a little bit more intense. You can build this. You have other houses that you can build. You can do more trees. You can do more water. You can get like second and third stories, like you can see right here how they build the water. So it is endless fun with this building blocks. You can purchase more to add more into your little town. These are really nice blocks. I like the fact that you can build as much as you want. You can keep going with your creativity, and these are right here, just gives you a little details of what you can build. So you have these blocks right here. You can use water. There's your trees. You have your wood. You have your sidewalks. You have your chests and stuff. So it gives you many options, and then you can purchase separate ones to add to your little town. I like the fact that it does give you a travel bag, so when you're out and about and you want to take these with you to play with your friends on a friend's date, you do get that bag to bring with you, and you can keep them all in one place. This is the little bag right here. It is waterproof. You don't have to worry about them getting wet, and you can use the string here at the top to close it and tie it off to keep them safe in this little bag. If you're looking for a nice builder set, I would highly recommend checking out these magnetic building cubes. They are super cute, and it is endless fun for your child.